Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Hunting Outdoors. It's getting later in the day. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Bat should be out in a little bit, but right now we're bird hunting. I don't know what type of bird, dove, robins, but we're gonna try and keep it down so that way we can get them in. But I'm gonna do the few calls while the video's paused. Then I'll pull up the video when I see a bird, and I'll get my aim on it and I'll try and shoot it. See, I made a video about the darts that I made, and I'm using them. I got about 6, 7 of them. But yeah, we're gonna wait just a second. Alright, so I see a bird up there. And I'm gonna get a little closer. Hopefully you don't fly away. But try and get a shot on him. And he flew away. That was a good dove too. But as soon as I did the call, which I haven't even paused the video for 5 seconds. As soon as I did the call, a dove went flying over me. He landed in the yard next to me, which is my grandma's. And that's where I recorded the video of the darts. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video again and see if a dove or any robins come. Alright, so I had another bird fly over me, but he never came close. But here's my darts. I got some navy blue ones and some white ones. I got 3 of those and 2 of those. And I got a black one, a black and red one in there. That's the one that I showed you guys how to make. But yeah, sun's going down quickly over there, and it's getting a little darker. I had another bird fly over me as I did the call, but my brother scared him off trying to crank up the car. But I'm about to move to the chair. I'm sitting on my trampoline right now, but I'm about to move to the chair and do that. But probably next one, maybe we'll be hunting out in the woods. Alright, so another bird is up there on the tree. You can't see it because the thing's not focused, but he's right up there on the tree. About to go get a shot on him. Pretty good size. Please don't fly away. Please don't fly away. Dadgummit! He flew away. I'm hoping to get another one in before I quit my hunt. Not giving up yet. If I had my pellet rifle out here with me, I could hit one of these birds. I hear one just above me, and he flew off. There's some crows up there. Doves flying right up there. I don't think he could have saw them. Let's zoom in. Yeah, you can see him up there flying. You can barely see him. There's one flying up there. I can't get a shot on them unless I had my shotgun effect. If I had my shotgun effect darts, I would definitely hit one. Hoping they would land up in the tree, but pause the video for now. Alright, so I can't call any down. I'm gonna do one more call while you guys are still watching. I'm gonna pause it on this one, but I'm gonna do one more call, see if any come in. If they don't, I still had I had 2 shots on 2 birds that were up in there. But I think there's a bird up there. But here goes the call. Oh crap, I called one in. Yep, here he comes. Oh, he flew off too. Alright, I'm gonna do one more call. Hold on, let me set the camera somewhere. Crap, messed it up. Alright, so there is one up there. It's right up there. Got to take the shot. See if I can get him. It looks like a robin. My dart didn't go very high. Went just under him. Hopefully he's still there. There he goes. Ooh, that's a good size one too. He's right up there. Trying to hold the camera steady. My dart doesn't really go high. What a bummer. Probably hit him with my other darts, but these are really short range darts. But try and get him in closer. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And keep looking out for more videos. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos. But hit the thumbs up button. I was hoping I can get one this hunt. But you guys saw the birds. Thanks for watching. Peace out.